TDI principle. The TDI used in production passenger cars is one of Audi's groundbreaking innovations. Development of the engine began in the late 1970s, headed by the then member of the Board of Management for Technical Development Dr. Ferdinand Piëch. In 1989, the direct injection turbocharged diesel engine with fully electronic controls celebrated its premiere in the Audi 100. The 2.5-litre 5-cylinder engine set new standards with a power output of 88 kilowatts, 120 horsepower, a peak torque of 265 newton-meters, 195.45 pounds-to-foot, and excellent fuel efficiency. Far superior to all earlier engine concepts, it marked the beginning of a veritable boom in the new technology. In the 20 years that followed, Audi produced over 5 million TDI engines and continued to systematically develop the principle. Today the TDI is one of the most successful efficiency technologies in the world. Since its market debut, ongoing advances have nearly doubled its power output and increased its torque by 70% with respect to engine capacity. During the same period, its emissions have fallen to approximately 1/10 of their original levels. Audi offers a wide range of TDI engines with 4, 6, 8 and 12 cylinders. Each one combines powerful low-end torque, high performance, smooth operation and exemplary efficiency. The TDI embodies a modern, smart style of sportiness and sustainability.